try another vlog, another blessing. So for today, we are at
Akabani Station.
yes, we are going to go to Summer Special and look at my feet. Tada! So magsiskirt tayo na yun. It's my first time and it's very cold and I'm looking at the other Japanese girls around me and they don't even have socks. So, and I'm very cold right now.
Okay, see you. Here's the train. We're here at Kasama Station. In Kasama Station. So,
And
first,
I found the stamp. Let's see the decor. Let's see how it is pala.
is it this one? Are you sure?
I don't know.
Sige.
It is very small.
Put it here. This side. Okay. Careful. Is it good? Ooh, it's
Very beautiful.
Ganda.
So this is the entrance. Beautiful flowers. So let's go see.
Let's go. Let's check. Oh, at the entrance, you can see the beautiful flowers. Nice.
Guys, kung foreigner kayo, wag kang mag-sweat. Ang lamig, di ko kaya.
Ang ganda. The flowers at the entrance of Kasama Station.
Okay, so we found the old telephone. So pasok muna tayo kasi
Yeah, there's an old telephone here.
hala, baka masaya.
Go, careful.
Ang kiki naman to, natatakot.
Wow.
Wait lang.
So, you can dial 119.
Hello, yes, nandito na ako. May
For-
humahabol sa akin.
Ambulance. 110. Police.
Ah,
118.
1-1.
For accidents. Then disaster 171. So there, you need to insert 10 and 100 yen coin.
Kuy, Ben, nandito na ako. Saan ka na? Joke lang.
Wala akong kasama dito sa kasama.
To the Kasama
Inari Shrine.
Shrine. And there's also
Azalea Park.
Azalea Park here too.
You can go there during springtime.
Yes,
Okay?
and there are a lot more places you can explore.
Yes, ito Wakasama. It's like a glamping. Okay.
And we also have a map.
And this is the food. Okay. They have chestnut. Okay. Grapes. And other stuff. Sige, let's just walk and see the place.
So you can actually take the bus, but the waiting time is very long. So
Yeah.
we're just going to walk, which takes 21 or 20 minutes.
And it's just straight. Go straight. Go straight. There's vending machine.
There's a shop for farm property.
Yes, they're known also for pottery. Okay.
It's so peaceful here.
The shops are still closed. Pak, ganun. Tapos nilalamig. Skirt pa mo. Oh, there's persimmon.
Oh wait, I bet I can read that. That's ano?
What?
Ah,
Atsu.
Atsu.
Atsu. Hanggang doon lang.
Atsuma, ganun na.
In fairness, ang daming vending machine na.
Oh, there's the
Ay,
traditional water
oo nga. Parang sa Pinas, no, Kaylee?
Pwede makipag-antay, medyo.
No, no, no. Ay, wala nang masyadong laman yung vending machine.
Anong ganyan yung mga
Ubus na.
picture? Ubus na to. Ay, wow, there's an architecture. So social here.
Parang kainan to, oh.
Ba, ha.
Oh, what's this? Oh,
Tapos,
photo studio.
land, classic
Oh,
photos.
look.
Look at that.
Oh, cute ng baby, oh.
Social.
Ay, ganyan talaga yung ano nila.
Because, we're
the
in the
province.
province kasi.
Oh, come here. This is the beautiful house.
Yeah, tinan mo yung
But,
aso. Akala natin
akala namin aso or something, or tiger or ano, pero
parang panther.
yeah,
Black panther.
we thought it's real, pero
It looks so real. Natakot ako.
it's fake. Okay, come on. Konnichiwa!
Sungit ka.
Oh, look, nasa labas lang ang kotse.
Super. Ang social. Wait lang na.
Oh.
Masko po.
Mamasko po. Bawal mamasko dito.
Kita tayong traditional na Japanese house.
Yes.
Ganda.
Ang ganda nung ano nyo, grabe yung sa ano nyo, bubong nyo. May mark
Tapos
pa.
may alcohol na shop din.
Yeah, mga wine. Parang ano na.
There's a car.
Yeah, Cadillac.
Social.
Very old, but nice. So we're half through the way. Pero parang walang katapusan yung road.
It's like endless. Like the back rooms. Dun sa dulo.
Uy, ang ganda din ng bahay dun, oh. Oh, di ba?
Social.
Parang may sarili siyang pine tree dun.
Parang gusto ko na tumaya sa province.
Oh, di iwan ka na rito. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Ba't ito? Clinic ba yan or something?
Baka
Ay,
Panasonic.
parang pinopromote niya yung ano, oh, chrysanthemum.
May bit. May asin.
Pero ang ganda nung flower, oh. Yung yellow. Yan, so may nakita po kaming, we don't know if this is house or something. It says,
Please, ma'am.
please, ma'am.
Pumasok na po kayo at wala na akong pera pang bayad ng renta ko. Ano kaya yan?
Is it an animal
Something?
cafe or...
Pasok tayo mamaya.
Then,
Dapat interesting.
we saw Kasama City Office branch office. So, maybe this is their municipality. Oh, in fairness, modern. So,
Kamote.
kamote.
Malaki.
Oh, ang laki, very big. 400, 300, and 200 yen. It's still close.
Bayan.
We're near the chrysanthemum.
We're here in
Kasama Inari Jinja. Jinja means shrine. Okay. So here are the flowers at the front. And they have this. Okay. Come on.
Oh, there's a lot of wasps.
So here it is. Okay. So this.
Oh, there's more here. Cute.
So we're near at the entrance. Potato shop. Here there's a lot of shops. Kobundo. Oh, Soba. I think ito yun, no? Yung Inari Sushi something. Okay, let's go. There's another shop. Here, there is a lot of shop.
Here in the Kasama
Inari Shrine.
Inari Shrine. And mali pala yung Google. Dapat tayo. Ito si pero pinabadaan tayo sa ghost town.
Okay,
So,
so
this
here
is what
it
you'll see
is.
first. Here's the entrance. And
This is
it's
the entrance.
And by the Japanese action, it seems you should bow first before entering. Like a sign
Yes.
of their respect.
And look at the flowers there. So nice. So here are the flowers. So nice. We're here. O diba? Ang ganda.
The decor and
It's so very beautiful.
on the sides there are various shops you can explore.
Yes, there are a lot of shops, different shops. Pero the others are closed pa, no?
Because it's still early.
Yes. Ano kaya ibig sabihin nito? Hacks ba yan? Ay, ayun, ang daming ano, mga mask doon. So here is it. Kasama Inari Jinja.
Oh,
Ayan, yung mga souvenirs. Ay! Oh! May mga stuffed dog. Oh, ice cream. Ito na. Ano yun? Our hands
okay, so we
here
wash our hands over here. I don't
before
really
we enter. The water is very cold and these are the flowers. So, what can we say about the Inari Kasama Inari Shrine?
So, fun facts, this is one of the three largest shrines in
One of the three
one
largest.
of the three largest shrines in Japan, and it even beats Kyoto.
Yes,
So,
and
if you want to go.
it is built 651 years.
Yes, so about 1,300
1,300
something years ago.
Yes, 1,350 something.
Yes, and their fine food delicacy is a sushi.
Kasama
Sushi.
Inari Sushi. It
So
has
we will see that
walnuts.
Chestnut, I think.
Yeah,
Chestnut.
it's a different kind of sushi.
Yeah,
So
we will
let's
go
go.
eat it later.
Another side of this one. Look. Super intricate. It's very nice. Ang ganda, no? Yung mga nakasulat. It's a different kind of...
気をつけピおはこちゃんですね。で、目見ないでとか言っといてあれなんですけど、チャームポイント目です。そう琥珀色の綺麗なね目をしていたので。
So, I don't know, what is this? Is it an emperor or an empress? Okay. It's here.
Of your ring of your year of the blank.
Yeah. Charms and parang keychain, no? And it has sound. So, here it is, the flowers. These are the flowers, okay? And this is the shrine.
There, ano?
Yes.
So there's this picture spot, and you have a camera stand as well.
There's a heart.
It looks like a pretzel.
Yes, very, very beautiful, okay? Yeah. Is the flower, okay. So from this one, it will turn slowly to this one, okay. This. Ooh. Yes.
So when you come back in spring, these green yellow flowers over here will turn into wisteria.
This leaves, okay.
Yes. Which is like shinable.
Yes. Oops. Sorry. Pure as white. Purple. We have yellow.
Just
Ay,
a big
nag-dry
one.
na siya.
Napagod na siya.
Pagod na pagod na pagod. Napagod na siya.
Ay, ganda. Cute. Ah, there's the shrine.
Ay. Mm-mm.
Oh, what's that?
What's this?
Oh.
Ano to?
Wow.
Rice? Different
Asian.
rice? Different rice? Ah, may beans oh.
I think it's different rice, beans, and nuts. Probably.
May mga number, no? Ano kaya yan? Oh! Ah! Ano to? Itlog? Or... Ano kaya to?
Spring.
Spring? Parang cotton or something, no? Flower here.
Yes, and I just want to mention, can you zoom in on the boy shoes na? That's from GU, by the way.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's from GU. I
The
tried
same
one.
style only. Ano ka, jellyfish?
Ganun din.
Ang ganda oh.
Oh.
Nakapila sila. Naka-arrange.
Like a flower temple. Ta-da-da.
So design is an important cultural asset. Okay. It is Japan heritage.
Wait lang. Ganito, ganito.
Look oh.
Oh, so nice.
Ang cute oh. This one, it's like a small
A mini shrine.
mini shrine.
And you can put
And
something inside.
We don't know what are we going to put inside, if it's a wish or something. Kasi di ba mahilig sila sa ganun?
Yes, parang
Pray,
ano,
prayer.
from the bigger shrine, if what I watched in my anime was correct, you put a coin here, clap 2 times, you bow, you wish, and then you clap 2 times again.
Pink flowers. This is at the back of the shrine. Grabe yung architecture niya, no? Sobra. And this is, I think, is this a fox? Okay.
Ma, wait lang.
It's a lot.
Ganon yung isa, oh.
And other more. Fish. Parang daily sa atin, no? Hmm? Different, to. Spices ata to. The almost the end side. So here it's a little modern. Then more flowers. Ah, I think this is the wisteria.
Yes.
This is it. Mm. There's an entrance. Siguro ito yung museum, no?
The branches actually look kind of silver, so it looks really nice.
It looks like for winter. Ay, ang cute, oh.
Cute.
Ganito yung ginawa. Maliligit. Oh, there's a restaurant.
Dango.
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 Oh, fall trees. It's color red. Oh, this one. It's so nice. Oh, there's more. Ay. Yun yung parang nakita natin kanina, no? That one.
Dango something. I'm not
Yeah.
sure, but it's like similar.
So we
to
have
dango.
soy sauce, walnut miso, and chestnuts. Let's try this chestnut. Okay. So let's go.
はい、じゃあ1000円ですかな。はい、400円お返しですね。
ありがとうございます。
ごめんなさいね。はい、じゃあこちらね。Thank you ありがとうございます。
Here it is.
Korean, not
Not
South-
Korean, Korean. Korean.
Korean.
K-U-R-I-A-N.
Wala yung accent ko, so wag na lang natin sabihin. So,
So,
tikman
try it.
natin.
Careful,
Mainit,
it's
ano
hot.
ba yan? Wait, masarap yung sauce nila.
Oh, see? Yummy?
Yeah, it's like dango, it's sticky. But but the sauce adds more flavor.
So this is the shop inside. Later, let's check the other products they're selling.
After we eat this one.
Then there's more at that side, okay? We will explore that too. Momomuji. We have here, parang chestnut, no? Chestnut mochi. And there is here sweet potato. 1,001 kilogram. And here, ito na.
首の小が触りにお買い得です。いかがですか？
This one. And this is a beautiful temple. No. House. Puro flowers talaga. Careful. Ay, oo nga. Ang ganda. Ang Thank you.
No entry daw.
Mm. Mm. Ay, parang pabaypay ng bulaklak ko. Big fan with flowers. So here they have also pond and different flowers. Sayang wala na yung ano no. No, the trees. Nag-ano na siya. Very Japan talaga yung mga ganito.
Made these flowers. Tada!
Very beautiful, like this one. So this is the shrine. Okay, you need to fall and pay respect. Okay.
Okay, so may pick up line ako. Wag kayo mag-kinig sa akin lang ah.
Oh,
Bulaklak ka ba?
bakit?
Kasi ang ganda mong tingnan.
Luma na yun. Ano ba
Okay
yun?
lang.
Flower with fox. Then here is your machine. And this one. Another umbrella. 1,000 yen. Okay, if you want to buy, it's nice. Souvenir, and you can also write here for 500 yen your prayers there or your wish. There are different styles.
They're eating ice cream. So
Come on, let's go to the souvenir shops.
Wait,
What's that?
wait lang. Dito ka muna,
What's
Lol.
that?
Wait. Kuha tayo ng isa. Ay.
Careful. What is it?
Yin and yang. Oh, ganun. O, diba?
Oo nga, no? Ay! Oh, iba rin yung shades niya, Kaylee. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Ano pa? Oh, may... Ay, ang cute. Ay, ito yung pin. Ang cute. Ang so...
Oh. And they have here, ayo, ganyan nga talaga, grabe. 15,000 yen. Ay, oo. Ano to?
Snake!
Malambot.
Baka parang ring.
Excuse me. Ah, same nung nandun, ano? Ayun, no, mga chestnut. Oh, di ba ito yung nakita natin sa ano? Ushiko. Ay, oo. Meron din pala. Same. Oh! Parang masarap to. Potato. Yeah. Yes. Well, 10,000 yen. Isang lapad. Oh, see? Come on. Doon tayo sa kabila. Let's go to the other side. See, maroon. So there are figs. And here are the other things. Yes? Slippers. Shh, careful.
Joke. Joke.
Careful. It's like the one inside. See? 24,000 yen. 4-5. And look, this is the Torii Gate. There are toys. And mask. Santemo Festival. Paano pag walang kasama, Kaylee? So this is at the front with a beautiful purple orange chrysanthemum. Okay? Kaylee, dapat ata you don't go near. Why? Napagod na siya? Ayun! Tingnan mo pala. Yan. Chrysanthemum kasama flowers. Store. Itong side na to, lively siya, no? Sa kabila. Saan tayo pinadaan? Walang masyadong ano. Kasi tinan mo, ang daming parking, oh.
Google is very fake.
Restaurant, we will try the famous Inari sushi with soba. And look how cute the tables are. They're already ocha or tea. And this one. Ayan. Then we have chopsticks. This is how it looks. And we have water. Later. Here's our food. This is the Inari sushi. This is famous in Kasama. And we have the soba.
Ay, sushi. Soba pala. Inari sushi.
Inari sushi.
Itadakimasu. Wow.
Is it good?
Tikman natin yung sushi nila. Kung masarap ba talaga. Hala, di ko kasi yung bibig ko. Ano to?
Sarap. Paano natin to?
Buti nahanap natin yung restaurant.
It's
Ikaw
good.
doon na tayo, no? This is good. Tapos saka puro local yung kumakain, no? Ay, parang sa... This is salmon. Let's show them. Salmon. Oops. Ang sarap nito.
Ang flavor. Ang fun.
Ang salmon. Salmon na may parang meat.
Yung may butas mo, ano?
Ang sarap yung ano, itong nakabalot. Mura na to, no? Para sa set. No?
Sulit siya.
curious lang ako. Tikman natin yung sabaw.
Wag mo ubusin, wala ka ng sabaw sa ano.
Hindi, tikman ko lang.
Lahat naman siya may kanin eh.
Ang saya.
Ano pa isa? Ay, kakaiba yung akin. Ba't ako wala akong ganyan? Lahat sa akin nakatakip.
Nakatakip din yung dalawa.
Yung iba mo, yung isa mong ano.
Akin may cucumber.
Oh, nakakain ako cucumber.
Masarap.
Yung isang,
Baka ganyan din. Ba't yung salmon ko nakabukas?
iba-iba.
Mmm.
Masarap. Tama.
Ang sarap nito. Diba may cucumber? Yummy. Ano to? So, iba-iba tayo ng ano?
Hindi, same lang.
Ang sarap nito.
May ganito ka din yung itim. Ikaw, same tayo.
Wala ako ng itim. Parang may mga nuts.
Nakain ko yung may cucumber.
Ang sarap ng may cucumber. Ayaw mo yan? Palit tayo. Ito magugustuhan mo may nuts. Aka na.
Medyo dito lang po tayo. Pero masarap ka ng
Hindi tayo mo.
Ay,
Eh, may ano yun?
Sige. Save muna natin to. Save natin to mamaya. Tikman din natin yung ibang sushi.
Iba-iba. Random.
So, ito daw, sabi ni Mami, may nuts. Tikman natin.
Masarap lang. Di ba? Ang sarap ng timpla. Oh.
Ay,
Lamig.
Oo.
Ano yan?
Parang
tita?
adobo.
parang may nuts.
Di ba?
Parang adobo.
Di ba? Ba't wala kayo ng salmon?
Wala ka mo sa
Sarap ng salmon.
Akala ko pinala mo po yung salmon.
Kinain ko na nga, salmon with, meat. Mmm. Ang sarap.
Alin?
Parang... Ano ba yung iba? Tingnan ko. Ang hirap naman tingnan. Ano?
Kailan mo i-convert mo to magkano lang? No?
Ah, may nuts din pala ako, ma.
May nuts ka rin? Huwag at least masarap yun sa'yo. Hindi kainin mo ah.
Ano yun? Hindi ko nabisa. Ba't may noodles?
Hmm.
Ano to?
Hmm.
Ayun yung may cucumber.
Ah, okay.
Masarap.
Should I put ano?
Hmm.
Ah, okay. So, this is the one with noodles. Nakikita niyo ba? Wait lang.
You bite it first para makita nila.
Okay. Sneak peek. Ay, mga hulog. Bebe mo! Salam.
Bilis natin kumain. Talatang gutom. Ano?
Gutom naman tayo. Tikman. Okay, tapusin na natin.
Parang iba yung model ni ate, oh. Sa likod mo.
Salam.
Mukha mainit. Sa likod mo.
What?
Yun ang kain.
Pero kahit malamig mo sarap to, ano? Ubus ko na, oh.
Eh? Eh? Ay, wala na.
Wala na. Itit na dato. Parang gusto ko pa nung ano, soba.
Very salty. Too salty. Too
Kaya huwag mo inumin yan.
Tinuro sa kanyang Japanese teacher, inubos na ako.
Oh, I told you, ma.
Bakit?
Kasi masarap.
Itong sabaw na to, ito daw yung pinagkuluan ng ano. Tapos tinimplahan.
Ganun ba?
So, dapat uubusin ko.
Kung nga hindi ko ininom, sabi niya, drink it. You should finish it.
Okay.
Kasama pa siya kumain.
Ang alat eh.
Kaya ko kasi parang everyday na ako nang kumakain ng mati sa bowl.
Parang magisabot to the 10 power.
Kaya ko naman, mahilig ako sa maalat eh. For some reason. Imbis na asin kilig, ano?
May ano eh. Ano ko yung wasabi?
Ako din ang sabi.
Ako wala po ako.
Ay, wasabi. Kumulo sa ilong ko? Oh, you eat na your ano, sushi.
Wait lang na. Finish na at busog.
Open mo yan.
Tantaran, tantaran. Alam mo, sinabi ko, hindi man ako hulog yung sauce. Tapos sinabi namin nandito yung sauce.
Yes, nandiyan na ba yung
Ano ba yan?
Our lunch, we're here. Fresh chestnut and potato.
Wait. Let's see this. Subuan.
Ooh. Gusto nyo i-try? You wanna try? Ay, may
I'm
stuffed toy
fine.
pa siya. Oh.
Para mainitan yung tiyan natin.
Ano sinasabi? Excuse me. Welcome to Kasama. Ito palang Nino Street. Kasama Inari Montendori Street. Pero tinawag ba? Parang lagi ganito lagi yung alin na sa Japan, no? Pag ganito.
Koi wa hitotsu desu.
お一つ、はい、300円ですね。はい。はい、そうです。何やって
Galing ko na mag-Nihongo. Sino ka dyan? De, joke lang, mayaman na.
Joke. Let's try this chestnut. Chestnut with sweet potato, no?
ますか？こちらですね。ありがとうございます。
Get it. Chili. Oh, thank you. ごめんなさい。Oh, ごめんなさい。
Okay.
Kaylee.
Okay. Please. Please, please.
ありがとうございます。Bye. Sarap. Sarap, oh. Ano yan? Welcome. Another vending machine. Coffee naman.
Ito pa.
Wala, ang daming sweet potato dito.
The land of sweet potatoes.
Ay, ano yun? Yung sa dulo. So, meron pa?
What?
Shop, and then they're putting the potato there. Another shop with selling tea, and then there are
Origami. Sige. Pasok na tayo.
this is so nice. It's like Mount Fuji. And this one. This is so nice. Right? More Chrysanthemum Festival and flowers here at the end. of the Kasama Inari Street. So there. The entrance. It's like a fan. What is it?
Oh, this I choose one and the second one.
This one? Another one?
Oh, careful. Sorry lang.
Careful.
They placed it wrong. Ay, ganito pala.
Yan. What is it? Ah, isa. Meron pa isa eh.
There's one.
Sige, tingnan mo pa. Yan. Baka natakpan na yung blue. Ah, okay.
Not bad.
Wow! Ito, it's nice one. Oh, yan na. Yan, humahangin. Ang ganda. Tinan mo. Humahangin oh. So, super ganda dito sa dulo.
Yeah,
So
honestly, I like
nice. Oh, there's heart. Is the art is so good. Look at here. So nice. Here in the well. Okay. Ito.
Kakulay mo na.
Kakulay ko na ba yung mga flowers?
ikaw ang gulat.
Okay. And you will see a star, Kaylee.
Nagpapahinga lang yung vlogger.
This is very yummy. Inari sushi. So when you're here in Kasama Inari, you should try Inari sushi. Very good. Another one here. Meron din dito. Oh, sige, go. Ah. Ito din, Inari din eh. Sayonara Kasama Inari.
And back to the ghost town. Woohoo! Wait, guys. Hala, parang may tubig.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ito cake shop. Sa spider. There is a big spider up there. Yan. We're here in Kasama Station.
Natakot talaga ako sa gumagapang.
Waiting for our train. We're going back to Oyama.
Mapagkalma mo, ma.
Of course, I'm not afraid.
Mas gusto ko pa nandyan na lang ako.
Ay, ano kayang mountains yun?
Ang ganda, pero yung situation natin hindi.
まもなく2番線に上り列車が入ります。危ないですから黄色い点字ブロックまで下がってお待ちください。
What's there? Okayama City. We're going to another place. Harvest Walk. Where's Donkey? Ay, oo nga. No. Donkey. Oh, nature tayo. JB Post. So here. Donkey. We're now in Harvest Walk. Yes. There is Jeans and Muji. Yes. Oh, there's Starbucks. Ayun na. Oo nga, Black Friday. Black Friday sale. Ano yung A na? So there. Just oh. Very cute. So here is Rambling Walk. We have the Gateway Plaza, Sakura Plaza, and Harvest Plaza. So here, it's so nice. There's also a food cart for pizza. Let's check. Ooh.
I think it says
100
for adults and
240. Excuse me. Oh yes, it's a cup. Yes. Yay. Bye. Hindi yan. Go. Bye-bye. Roller coaster. Ang cute. About merry-go-round. Donut. Their team today is Pokemon, okay? And look, our fave Kaylee, noodles and the fried rice. Okay, let's go. Now we're here in Water Plaza. So we have Dennis. Oh, may parang ano, pwede kang maglaro-laro. Ayan! Oh, there oh. Oh, there's the cinema. Okay. There oh. Yes. Oh. Harvest Walk. We're here in Harvest Walk. Go.
合計5000円で1回マラソン抽選にご参加いただけます。この機会にぜひご参加ください。
Taichu Station. Go up here, Kaylee. Here. Ito sa taas. Dito, Kaylee. Here. Go. Ah. Ganda. Playground. Go ahead. Chutaya Bookstore. Ay, Maganda rin dun sa 3 coins. Oh, there's a playground, Starbucks.
Okay na ba?
Oh, Uniqlo.
Parang too old eh.
Oh, here we go.
GU!
Uniqlo. Super sale. All red. Okay. Then we have 3 coins. 3 coins plus. There is a Day-Shot camera. Okay. There are accessories, makeups, electronics, and other home items. Oh, Christmas toys. It's very cute. And this one is very cute. Heart for 300 yen. 330 yen. Other cute bags. There's also for kids cosmetics, okay? For your pets, dogs.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday. Look, this is for winter.
Ang cute. Tadang!
And this one for babies. Toy, cooking toy.
We're about to go home. We're just waiting for the bus.
And this is a Super Viva Home. Appliances and supermarket. The food court here is delicious, according to our friend. Oyama Station, and we're going to ride at the Shonan Shinjuku line straight to Shibuya. So here, we can sleep
Yes, kasi
for 1 hour and 20 minutes.
So we are home and you know what, we're very tired and I'm very full also. But anyways, did you know that from Tokyo to Kasama, the trip was 3 hours long? But it was totally worth it when we saw the beautiful flowers and shrine. I enjoyed eating the soba, the sushi, and the Korean. I'm not sure
Inari
if
Sushi.
Ah,
It's
the
called
Inari sushi. And the Korean, I'm not sure if I pronounce it because I forgot. So please comment and tell me.
It's like the dango with the chestnut sauce, right?
Yes. And then, my favorite part of the vlog was Harvest Walk, especially when I rode the carousel. It brings back memories. I know I'm still young, but you get the point. So, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you always be notified for my new vlogs. Never forget, Jesus loves you as He loves me. Trust in Him and He will save you. Peace out, Kelly mates. See you in the next one.